Hello, I'm B,
And I'm Terence.
and we're going to talk about filtration, disinfection, and drying.
First, we're going to talk about filtration. So what is filtration? Filtration is the process in which solid particles in a liquid or gaseous fluid are removed by the use of a filter medium that permits the fluid to pass through but retains the solid particles.
We are going to perform the steps or process of filtration. Here are the materials we are going to use for this experiment. First, the beaker. Second, the filter paper. Third, the funnel. Fourth, iron stand. And fifth, a mixture of dirt or dust, particles, and water. But where should we get this mixture?
You just need water and dust particles, right?
Yeah. Is that Coke?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start. First, take soil and water mixture in a glass beaker. Second, set the iron stand, funnel, and beaker. Third, place the funnel onto the iron stand and place the beaker under the funnel. Fourth, fold the filter paper into a cone and place it on the funnel. Fifth, pour the mixture onto the funnel that has the filter paper. Sixth, the filter paper lets the water pass through while solid particles aren't. Seventh, liquid from the soil and water mixture is obtained, which is now in the beaker.
Next up is disinfection. So what is disinfection? Disinfection describes a process that eliminates many or all pathogenic microorganisms on inanimate objects. These objects are usually disinfected using liquid chemicals. We are going to perform the steps in disinfection. So here are the materials that we are going to use. Number 1, personal protective equipment. Number 2, wiping cloth. And number 3, disinfectant. Okay, so let's start. First, wear appropriate personal protective equipment like goggles, gloves, and face masks. Second, pre-clean to remove any visible soils from the surface. Air dry or wipe dry with a cloth. Third, apply disinfectant to surfaces like countertops, sinks, toilets, doorknobs, and light switches. Fourth, allow the disinfectant to remain wet for a while. If the surface dries, reapply the disinfectant. And fifth, allow the reapplied disinfectant to dry. After that, wipe the surfaces with cloths or paper towels that is disposable after a single use.
And lastly, drying. So what is drying? Drying is the removal of water from a substance by evaporation. We are going to perform the steps in drying clothes. Here are the materials that we are going to use. First, tissue papers. Second, dry towel. Third, wet cloth. Fourth, iron. Okay, so let's start. First, take a towel and put some tissue paper on it. Second, lay the wet clothes on the tissue paper, then cover the clothes with tissue paper. Third, roll up the towel tightly, then twist the roll strongly. Number 4, wait for 5 minutes, then unroll the towel and bring out clothes from it. Fifth, then iron the clothes to remove the rest of the moisture.